I am very happy to see live again with you.
My pleasure, sir. Pleasure is mine.
Okay. Okay. Uh, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Where are you calling from, sir? You didn't tell me. We were discussing yesterday, but the
Yeah,
voice
yeah.
was not clear, so I
Okay, okay.
forget.
I am from sir Rat. It's a local city, Rat, near Urai.
Near Orai.
Yes, yes. Far away for I think 40 kilometer.
From in Madhya Pradesh
From
or in Bihar? In Bihar,
UP, Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar
Uttar
Pradesh,
Pradesh and yes, and Hamirpur district.
Hamirpur district.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, yes. And what you do,
Okay.
sir?
I am sir. I have already told you, sir. I am a teacher and primary section and
Primary,
private job. Yes, yes,
private primary job.
yes, yes. Uh,
Yes, sir.
and sir, also I have a
Yeah,
I
please.
have mind. I have a desire. matlab, I have a long desire and burning desire that talk with you because sir I have watched lot of video and learned one thing very important from you, that how to maintain sir coolness or charming after whole day work, performing whole day work or daily uses work. How to sustain sir like you? So
Well,
please give me some uh, point.
it's not big secret, sir. If you have a desire to something, if you have a passion towards something to do, achieve or achieve mastery in something, you won't feel a boredness or you won't feel tiredness. That what you are. Look, if you enjoying something, look,
Yes,
like
yes,
what
yes.
it depends. It depends. It depends. It
But sir,
depends what.
we have faced the different type of circumstances whole day. Okay,
Mhm.
this is very difficult to remain cool or calm after doing all whole day work. I think 8 or 9. I think 10 hour after 10 hour. Okay, क्योंकि daily routine started in the morning 6 o'clock and going to around 8 o'clock or at least 7 o'clock in evening time. So this is a long period of time,
Mhm.
and also this is I feel little bit hard work during the private job, sustain our study also.
Mhm.
I feel this is a little bit hard, but I am also trying.
Well, in my case, I'm enjoying driving my auto. I really love my auto. Okay, okay, this
Yes,
is
yes,
my part job, and I really enjoy while driving. I'm enjoying while driving,
yes,
after that, the learning a English language is my passion. So
yes,
I don't feel
yes.
I.
When when I have also a passion to learn improve my English. Okay, so
Yeah.
that's when I study English, but no feel any type of tiredness or feel some energetic. But
Mm-hmm.
sometimes feel that this is my passion. Okay, so feel the energetic, but other aspect when I see that the other daily routine work sometimes feel little bit hard.
Okay, we are human. It happens sometime.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
If it happens sometime, it happens. It's a necessary. It's not big deal. But if
Okay.
you're gonna do every day that you are feel bored, then you are not gonna learn anything. You won't learn
Yes,
anything.
yes, yes, sir.
Yeah.
So I have teaching in a private school and
Mhm.
English medium school also. But sir,
Yeah.
I am very well that no one perfect in English also and other subject. We can say no one perfect in the world.
Mhm.
Okay, but sir, sometimes feel that whatever I have a knowledge, want to express to in front of other people, other candidate, but
Mhm.
sometimes get very demoralized reply
Demoralized.
of the other
Demoralized.
student. Yes, yes, demoralize also. Okay, so how to tackle this one? Because
Well,
most of yes, yes, yes,
who
sir. Go ahead.
demoralize you? Who demoralize you?
Sir, suppose that I talk to someone in English.
Mm-hmm.
So most of the person know they think that means very reluctant to give the reply in same way. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
simply say, give the reply in Hindi or native
Mm-hmm.
language,
Mm-hmm.
local language. Also,
Mm-hmm.
otherwise, don't feel very cool when we speak in English, or
Mm-hmm.
try to avoid the situation. No, no need to speak in English, because
Mm-hmm.
when most of the work done in a native language, and also the
Mm-hmm.
English medium school, because I
Yeah.
teach in an English medium school, but most of
Mm-hmm.
the person uh, speak in Hindi also,
Yeah.
because when entered in a class, and that's it compulsory to speak in English to in front of the student, because we are uh, parents paying some money, so they want
Yeah.
to English medium, English medium in a school. So
Yeah.
but other way when we talk with colleagues, but no one,
Yeah.
I feel most of the time that try to give the good platform to enhance yourself.
Yeah.
So when I find your video, and I feel very energetic that you have a very prominent quality, that whatever you have to express other, because I know most of the person doesn't have that quality whatever I have. So
Mm-hmm.
I have learned one and very prominent things, that whatever you have, forward to that person that
Mm-hmm.
required that knowledge, whatever I have.
Yeah.
So this is the main point, or main, I think, uh, very important. I think I don't remember, remind in mind correct word at this time, that
Mm-hmm.
I can say prominent things, a very precious things. What if, this is the thing I learned from you, because you have a knowledge, and whatever you have in English, you try to give all of the world who want to get it, who want to achieve it. So this is the main thing, sir. I
Thank you.
get from you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Rajput, sir. Thank you very much. Well,
Uh,
you are a teacher. You are a
yes,
teacher.
yes, yes, sir.
So what kind of stuff you are facing trouble while teaching a student in English? You tell me.
Sir, basically, don't feel, but I think in inner space, that want to give the, uh, that means I can say fluency,
Mm-hmm.
and grammatically correct. मुझे sometimes I feel sometimes that I am not correct in grammar. Sometimes I
Yeah.
feel. Okay, so avoid to talk all time in English in front of the colleagues. Most of the
Yeah.
main problem is I not prefer to communicate with our colleagues. When I entered in principal office, I always try to speak in English, because
Yeah.
they give the platform also, and they need to talk, that all colleagues, all teachers try to speak in English. They
Mm-hmm.
have give the platform also and encourage also, but colleagues want to remain in a comfortable zone. They don't want to come out from comfortable zone. Uh,
Yeah.
yes, sir. But I try to come out from this zone. That's why I am trying to find the other way, another way to improve myself.
Okay. You can improve by practice, sir. Look,
Yes, yes, sir.
most of the thing we in India, we thought what other people will think about if I made a mistake while talking with other people, while
Yes, yes, yes.
communicating with other people. If I made mistake during communication, what other people will think? They will laugh at me. They will laugh on me. You know,
Yes, yes. Most of the
people.
whole. Yes.
This is
Go
our
ahead.
mentality. This is
Yes,
our
yes.
mentality. You know, come up with mentality. Don't do such things. You know, don't don't remember who they are. Who they are. They are just our viewer. Be in
Yes.
yourself. Keep talking. Keep talking. Whether you are right or wrong, keep talking in English. The more you talk, the more you learn. Sir.
Yes, yes.
Well,
When I start, when I think about past year or last 2 year, when it
Mm.
think in, when I want to make a sentence, I want to first of all think in Hindi, then convert in English. But at this time, no need to think in English, Hindi.
Mm.
I can directly access in English.
Yeah.
So I think this is my improvement.
So how you improved? How you improved, sir?
Sir, just I try to read. This is so. You have also told in many video that practice, read more and more. Okay, and listening work also. I have listened many videos from news channels also, and most of the persons are that means I have passed time in English reading portion completed. That means
Yes.
I have spared most of the time in reading
Yeah.
compared to listening, because this is my
Yes.
fault. I accepted that need to give the proper time of both or 3 or 4 sections, listening, writing, and reading. Okay,
Mm.
but last time I have given the time only reading section
Yeah.
compared to listening. But
Yeah.
I will try next time that give the proper time of both or 4 section, LSRW, listening, writing,
Yeah.
speaking. Okay, and speaking also.
Yeah.
Well, okay, so four. I will work in 4 section in English. Try to
Yes.
work, because
Yes.
last time I have give only the one section, most of the time only readings. Okay, compared to listening. But next time I will try to give the separate time for each. Most of the time I heard that you are speaking. You are not in a good position. So why are you speaking when you're not able to talk better? This word is very commonly used.
Which one, sir?
Commonly used, sir. Most of the colleagues or most of the person say that if you can't able to talk better, you if you can't able to talk correctly, then why are you talking? This word is very commonly used
No.
by the uh,
Look, this is their job. This is
yes,
their job to put you down.
yeah,
This is their job, and your job to keep talking, keep learning.
yeah,
Let them do their job properly, and do your job properly.
yes, yes.
You know,
Okay, okay, yes, sir.
get my point. You got my
And
point.
yeah, yeah, sir.
We need
Yeah,
we
got it, sir.
we need a different kind of a people. We need a different
Yes,
kind of people to run an environment. You know.
yes.
So let them talk, and you keep talking. You keep forward toward your journey to learn English.
Okay, but sir, one thing also I have faced oftenly, that when I going to tease in class, okay, sometimes maybe pronunciate wrong word also.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is maybe mm, harmful for a student in my perspective also.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
sometimes yes, sometimes the wrong sentences um, said by the teacher, said like me. Okay, sometimes I told the wrong sentences, that sentence caught by the student, or
Yeah.
remain in mind, and that same sentences speak in front of the parents. Okay,
Yeah.
so sometimes this sentence maybe create little bit problem for me
Yeah.
in a private public school. Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
oftenly have seen that
Yes.
commonly issue in
Yeah.
come out from. Yes, so how
Yes.
to
Yes.
come out from this?
Well, the pronunciation section, it's very hard right now for you. Like,
Yeah,
we are in the beginning stage right now, and the pronunciation
yeah,
section will take time, sir. The more you learn your pronunciation, you will understand from your own self that your pronunciation getting wrong or right. So, this
yes,
section
yes.
will take time. Don't go in this section right now.
Okay.
This section, pronunciation section, later on.
Okay.
This is not the right one right now.
Okay. Not a, sir, not a factor of pronunciation, and maybe correct incorrect sentence also sometimes occur. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So how to come out this, sir? So, because this is the learner, this learner stage. I am a learning stage. Okay, and
Yeah.
I think first stage. So maybe happen this type of mistakes in class also.
Yes.
And
Well, well, sir, you need to prepare. Like, you are going to teach something tomorrow. Okay, you're going
yes,
to teach something. You must be prepared the day. Like, you have a class tomorrow. You have a class, so prepare today. Prepare today. What
yes,
you gonna teach to the student? Start planning. Maybe you are not planning. You have to plan
yes,
what you're going to teach the
yes,
student. Make a schedule and plan, and practice. First of all, practice yourself, and then you can teach the student. So with this stuff, you can come out with the situations that from the pronunciation section, and other mistakes are happen while during the classes.
yes, yes. Because sir, I have repeated mistakes in teaching sector. In my mistakes that I have a knowledge in my subject. So that I teach in computer. I teach computer subject. So I have
Yeah.
have a knowledge to teach computer subject. Okay, I can deliver the knowledge completely or in a correctly in computer. But when we comes in language portion, there is
Hmm.
mistake. There may be a mistakes when I deliver this message.
Hmm.
Okay, and this habit most of the time occur with me because I have prepared my lesson, my subject, but there is no time to prepare myself in language that time, and ignorance in my mind work that focused on subject. No need to focus your language that time, because this is
Yeah.
my mistake, because I have no separate the time for make the sentence whatever I want to deliver in this class properly.
Hmm. I see, sir.
Yeah.
Well, this is because of you. You didn't prepare for yourself. You didn't
Yes, yes.
manage time. You are not managing your time properly.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
are, it's kind of a foreseen. It's kind of a foreseen that unforeseen. You are preparing for the class. You should prepare for day before. Whatever you're gonna
Yeah,
do.
yeah.
I'm talking about especially in English. Whatever you're gonna teach your student, prepare day before. Prepare day
Yes,
before. One day before. Prepare yourself. You know
yes.
with this stuff you will be come out with the situation. You will learn a lot, inshallah. And this is my
Okay, okay.
opinion to you.
Yes, yes. Thank you very much, sir. And I will try the same so that I
Yes,
can come out from my repeated mistakes.
yes, definitely, definitely, you will come out. You will be. You have a
Okay,
high
okay, sir.
determination. You will come out. Don't you worry, sir.
Okay, sir. And last thing, sir, I want to uh, point. I want to take some points from you. That means I want to demand from you that please give me some points to remain whole day energetic. Some give me some advice, please. You have, because you have.
Well,
And how to, sir, tackle, suppose that you also work whole day because you have a time to talk separate time after 6 p.m. Okay, so in the morning 6 a.m. to till 6 p.m. you have also a
mm,
lot of works. Okay,
yeah,
and you have face the different type of circumstances and daily routine work, whatever
mm,
all of the person say can be different. Okay,
yeah.
for different person. So sir, please tell me the some positive points end of the day, how to remain
Okay,
cool.
what's your dream, sir? What's your dream in your life?
Yeah, so my dream is, sir, become the good teacher or government teacher. Okay, in English teacher. I want to teach 9 to 10th standard student
Okay,
in English.
keep thinking. Always, I always keep in my mind my dream that I want to do something. I wanted to achieve something in my life. I always
Yeah.
thinking about my dream. So it feels me energetic, enthusiastic,
Yes, yes.
keep calm, keep remain proactive all the time. So always thinking your dream, keep thinking your dream. Put chart on a goal that I want to do something, I want to achieve something in my life. Always keep thinking about your dream. So this thing will put will take you to proactive all the time.